This store operates on a dropshipping system, selling this small camera, and last month, it managed to make over $12,000 from selling this product. All of this success came from content creation on TikTok, where the owner has a TikTok account with the store link in the bio and videos with millions of views. They create daily content for this product, and you can start today and do the same. This product is sold for approximately $40, while its cost is only $14, which enabled them to fulfill over 370 orders last month. Today, step by step, I'll show you how to build a professional online store, find a supplier to provide you with products at low prices to achieve a high profit margin, and start in content creation. Subscribe to the channel and like this video as I post daily profitable products and guide you through the process step by step. The first step is to register an online store on Shopify. I'll leave the registration link in the video description, through which you'll get a free trial for 3 days. And the first 3 months on Shopify will be $1 per month instead of $32, saving you a lot with this offer available via the link in the video description. You'll start by entering your email and registering an account, then select the country where you will start selling. Next, enter your email and password and create an online store. Now, on to step 2, which is finding a supplier to source products for the store, where once they receive orders, they ship them to customers and provide us with products at low prices. This supplier is Zendrop. Zendrop offers millions of products, including highly profitable items, and provides auto-fulfillment, fast shipping, and professional support, along with a free plan to get started with ease. You'll find the Zendrop app link in the video description. We'll start by installing the app on the store, and after installation, go to Apps and select Zendrop from here. This is Zendrop's simple interface, where you'll find many products in this area and many categories to get started with ease. Here we'll enter the product name and you'll see many products at different prices. This is the product that the person is selling, and here, you'll find product details, cost, and variations such as sizes and colors available. Here the product cost itself appears, along with the shipping cost, which varies by country. You can choose any country here to view its shipping cost, and here the total product cost plus shipping cost appears. This person sells the item for $40 while your cost will be $20, meaning you can earn $20 on each unit sold. To add the product to the store, click on Add to My Products. You can then go back and add other products to the store the same way. Then click on My Products, where the product will appear in this area. Click on Review and Publish, where you can edit everything before publishing it on the online store, such as the product name, description, variations, and sales price. The seller includes a memory card with the product, so you can choose these options or remove them as desired. This shows that my profit per order is approximately $19. Next, select the images to display on the store, then click Publish to My Store and then confirm. The product is now published in the store. If we go to Shopify and click on Products, we'll find the product already here, where we can open and edit everything from Shopify, including the name, description, images, or price. To view the product on the store, click Preview. This is the product page, but it's not a professional page. To create a professional product page like this, you'll find a complete tutorial in the video description on building an online store and creating a professional product page on Shopify. Let's quickly place an order now to see if, when a customer orders the product from the store, the order appears in Zendrop and whether I can ship it. After placing the order, if I go to Shopify, I'll see that the order has already arrived, and here I can view all product and customer details. If I go to Zendrop and refresh, the order will appear in Zendrop and I can ship it to the customer. Here, all order details appear, including the requested product and customer information, and I can now ship the order by clicking Fulfill Order. Here the product cost, shipping cost, and total cost appear. The customer has already paid you for the order through the payment gateway linked to Shopify, whether it's Stripe, PayPal, or Shopify's own gateways, so the order payment is already in your account. Now you need to pay Zendrop the order cost to begin shipping by adding balance here, either via bank card or PayPal, and then shipping the order to the customer. Zendrop's advantage is that its free plan allows you to fulfill 25 orders, which you can process easily. If you make more sales and want unlimited orders, click on Upgrade, where you'll find 2 paid plans, each offering unlimited orders and additional features. I recommend starting with the free plan to try out the market by fulfilling 25 orders. Once you make profits, you can subscribe to a paid plan. Now let's move to the most important step, content creation. You'll create a TikTok or Instagram account, place the store link in the bio, and start daily content creation, making videos about the product you'll sell. The channel posts daily profitable products, so subscribe to the channel and like the video. If you have any questions, leave a comment. I wish you a successful journey in e-commerce. Goodbye.